So besides the quality is not that great because I have the camera flipped around. I'm gonna go to Sally's because I don't know why my dumbass thought that shampoo was gonna work like a clarifying shampoo. I mean, it did remove some of the toner. But not all of it. And I want to do more Wella videos on different toners, but I got to remove this toner first. So what I'm going to do is go to Sally's and pick up a pack of some clarifying crystals, mix it up with some water, put it in my hair, remove this, the last bit of toner. And I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like, what the crystals did. I know you guys can still see the toner. It looks kind of like a, ooh, my nails are, ugh. They're kind of like a gray color, swampy gray, I guess, whatever you want to call it. I gotta remove that. So we're about to go to Sally's. Hold on. Recording? Yeah, we are. Okay, so right here is the T14. I washed my hair once with the ORS shampoo, the olive oil ORS shampoo. This right here, I washed it once. This part's pulling on pretty tight. The toner. This part right here is the T18. It's the T18. It's kind of fading out more. It faded out more than the T14. But what we're doing now is I'm gonna go swimming. See? I'm gonna go swimming. There goes my kids. We're gonna go swimming. And then I never really went swimming with blonde hair. And they say your hair turns green in the water when your hair is blonde or whatever. But I'm gonna see. I have some clarifying crystals that's supposed to remove buildup and all that shit. So I'm gonna see what my hair is gonna turn out looking like after this pool, after this swim. And I'm gonna see what the crystals be able to remove whatever, you know. I don't know why I can't explain what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna see what happens to my hair afterwards, see what, you know, the chlorine does to my hair, and then if it turns a little bit of green or changed colors, we're gonna see if the clarifying crystals will remove the buildup or not. You know how well it removes chlorine water out of hair. So hold on, you guys. All right, I did the clarifying treatment. Let me tell you guys what it did. Dude, this shit removed all the unwanted, if you guys can tell. It removed all the unwanted, hair tone out of my hair. And when I went to the pool, it didn't turn my hair like a swimmer green, you know, type of tone. You know, it didn't turn my hair green. The chlorine actually turned my hair like a swamp water blonde type, you know, like a swamp water blonde. And it looked ugly. But the clarifying crystals removed all that, and it removed the unwanted Wella. And I was kind of scared to use the Wella because, I'm not the Wella, the clarifying crystals, because they said that not to use it on gray or white hair. I'm not saying my hair is white platinum, but I was just scared because I saw some reviews, some girls saying that it turned their hair yellow, not yellow, orange, and like a pinkish orange color. But it didn't do that to my hair. It removed all the buildup and unwanted toner, and this is give it a thumbs up. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but peace out, toodles, and happy trails.